Alright, Nora, can you put the ball in? Nora. Ooh. Hi. Hi. Can you go put the balls in, Nora? Nora. Ella, show her the ball thing. Let's see what Ella's doing. Oh, that's right, you hit the handle. Alright, go ahead, hit the handle. Good job, Nora. Alright, now you put the ball in. Yeah, that's the ball. Put it in. Oh, let her do it. Can you get it out? How do you get it out, Nora? So smart. Good job, you did it. I'll put the ball in. Where does it go? Oh, you're so smart. That's right. Oh. Oh, Daddy missed it. Do it again. Put the ball in.
Put the ball in.
Slam dunk. Now how do we get it out?
Push the button. Push the button.
Push the button, Nora. Oh, another ball. That's right.
We were playing games.
Good job. Now push the button.
Why are you playing games with me? No.
Push the button.
Button.
Oh, you got it.
Are they playing some rainbow?
Good job. Push the button.
They're just figuring stuff out today.
Say bye-bye.
Daddy, Uncle Bobby works at the news place.
That's true.